If you're watching this, chances are you're planning to launch your own activewear or sportswear brand. Maybe it's your first drop, or maybe you already have a brand in place and you want to finally do things properly. Either way, you are in the right place. This is for founders who have an idea in mind but want clarity before they move into samples. Most launches don't fall apart because of a lack of ideas. They fall apart because of a lack of execution. This is where brands usually lose time, money, and most importantly, the momentum on their vision. Here's usually what happens. Right now you have a vision in your head. You might even have references, sketches, or even a manufacturer lined up. But once things start moving, everything feels extremely scattered. Factories ask questions that you're not prepared for, samples come back slightly off or completely incorrect, timelines stretch, costs increase, and suddenly what once felt exciting now feels extremely stressful. And the majority of brands get stuck in this phase because nothing is clearly mapped out from the start. What most founders want is actually simple. They want to know exactly what they're making. They want to know if it's possible at their minimum order quantity. They want to know if they have a realistic launch timeline. They want to move from an idea to a physical sample without chaos. And they want clarity before speed. I'm Shadi, the creative director of FittDesign. We are a product design and development studio focused on activewear and sportswear. We built FittDesign because we kept seeing the same pattern over and over again. Brands trying to move fast, but skipping the one step that actually makes everything faster, the groundwork. After working with hundreds of founders and brands, one thing became extremely clear. It's not factories that fail products. It's the unclear instructions that do. When design decisions live only in someone's head or across loose, scattered messages, things break. So we built a system that turns ideas into factory-ready products before production even starts. At FittDesign, everything revolves around one thing: clarity. We take what you're trying to build and turn it into a clear, structured design package that manufacturers can actually execute on. That includes design, construction, sizing, materials, and branding details. Once that foundation is set, everything else becomes much smoother and much faster. The reason this works is simple. When decisions are made up front, samples stop becoming guesswork. Fewer revisions, fewer mistakes, less back and forth equals better outcomes. Most founders already know this intuitively, but they don't realize how much time and money it saves until they actually experience it. We've applied the same process across startups, growing brands, and established names. Different categories, different scales, but the same principle. Clarity comes first and then the execution. There are two ways we typically help brands move forward. The first is the pre-designed route. This is ideal if you want something that's higher speed, lower risk, and a proven base to start from. We begin with a refined production-ready item from one of our over 3,500 production-ready styles from our catalog, and we customize it for you with your colors, your branding, and your fit. The second is the custom design route. This is for founders who want something built entirely from scratch. Every detail is developed around your vision, your customer, and your long-term brand strategy. Different routes, but one system. Clear decisions that allow you to have perfect production. The form below is not a sales form. It's how we understand what you're trying to build, your target MOQ, when you want to launch, and what products you want to launch. Once we have that, everything else becomes easier. There's no commitment here. It's simply how we see if we're a good fit to work together and which of the two routes actually makes sense for you. If we can help, we'll guide you through the next steps. And if not, you'll leave with more clarity than you had before. Take a minute to fill out the form. Tell us what you're trying to build, and we'll take it from there.